Well, they provided us the education. They spent a lot of money in our education. Number 4, they teach us how to be a good person in the community, in the society. That's why that is, the moral teaching of the parent. Number 5, even we're done with the schooling, they still support to find a job. Number 6, they are good protector. They protect us from bad environment. Some children, they are angry with their parents because they said to protect. But actually, that's how they love us. They protect us. Actually, number 7, they support us to have a good marriage life, to have a good family life, they are a good supporter. Number 8, they give everything to ensure our future success. Well, a family is not only by blood or biological. It's not only by blood because others, they don't have parents anymore. So it could also be by heart. Anyone that you love, accept as a family is your family. Well, we actually love our relatives, our friends, our boyfriends. So everyone is not only by blood. But I want to use the analogy of the tree over here to compare our